Hey guys, welcome back to WP Event Manager. And in this video, we're gonna talk about how you can create custom input fields for WP Event Manager event submission form. So for the demonstration, let's open the event submission page in a new tab. So this is the event submission page. And you will see we have a lot of predefined inputs over here that necessary for an event submission to happen, such as the online event, zip code, location, event banner, video URL, registration email, start date, end date, registration deadline, so on and so on. I can just go on. Uh, Pardon the pun. And how we can modify those fields? Let's go to field editor right below the venues in the event manager menu, and we will see like a lot of predefined fields over here that we can see over here as well, right? And below that, we will see organizer fields, venue fields as well. Those are not our primary concern today. We are talking about the event fields. So we can see we have event title, type, category, all those other fields, and we have a selected type for them, a description, a placeholder or options, meta key, only for admin, priority, and validation. I'm gonna go ahead and explain each fields over here, what they does and how you can configure them. So for that, let's create a new field by clicking over here. And this will be our field name that we want to show in the event submission form, right? So let's say we want to show country, right? So just an example. And the text, the over here, the input type is default is text. That means text input. So let me go through the all the list over here and explain. Then we have time that will show a time picker, a button, button options, checkbox, date, so that will show a date picker, a time zone that will show a list of time zones, a file, that's a file that you can include, a hidden input, a multi-select, a number, password, radio, repeated, select, term checklist, term multi-select, term select, text area, even a WP editor. So a lot of variety over here that you can choose from when you're creating a custom field. Then we have the description, not going to include any, and the placeholder. So we can type in, let's say, please enter your country, right? And then we have the meta that will get auto assigned after we save changes. And this option over here only for admin. So if we turn this on, the input field only be visible in the backend side, not in the front end side. And then we have the priority and the validation. So the validations are required or not required at for this moment. So we can click on save changes and we can go to add event and reload this page. So you will see the country is showing up now over here in the event submission form that we can use now to enter our custom input values. So this is the event submission form at the back, and let's see the event submission form at the front end side. Let's go to events and then we're going to click on add event and scroll down a little bit. We will see the country is showing right over here just after the ticketing section. So that's how you create a custom input field for event submission form for your users. So I hope this gives you a little bit idea. Feel free to play around with the options over here. You can choose a various type of input types. And so let's say if we create a input that requires multiple values such as a drop down select, right? So then we can type in our values over here, let's say India, and we can separate those values using this bar to include multiple values. Let's say the second value is USA, UK, France, Spain, right? So let's save changes. And you have already noticed that when we first time saved our changes, the meta box appeared over here automatically. So let's go to the front end side and reload our page, and you will see since we selected select input type over here, that changed the appearance over here as well. And as we typed our values over here divided by the bar, they are appearing over here such as India, USA, UK, France, and Spain. Pretty simple, no coding required, and you can create your own custom input field for the event submission. I hope this video gave you a bit of idea how you can create your own even submission form and even modify them. So it's not really limited to custom fields. You can actually modify all the fields over here as well. So feel free to play around. If you stumble upon any difficulties, let us know in the comment. We will be sure to help you out in those matters as well. Until then, I'm Sharad saying goodbye. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.